Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to buy a domain name on Namecheap. Now this is very easy to do, guys. It's something that you don't need to be tech savvy to do it. So first of all, go to your account right here. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Now here, as you can see, we actually have a registered domain name to start. So here we can actually start by buying a domain name. So let's say we have, a domain name. Let's say we want to buy a doctorfornow.com, right? Let's click search, right? So here we're searching for that domain name. We can see that we have doctorfornow.com for $9.58 a year. This is a great domain, right? A great domain name. It costs $9.58 a year. So we can add it to cart here. So once we add it to cart, we can pretty much check out right here, right? And here, as you can see, you can get domain registration for 1 year. Do you want 2 years, 3 years, 4 years? I would recommend getting the most if you can, which is 10 years, but then you're paying only $135, which is really crazy for 10 years of domain. So this is what I would do. And then as you can see, obviously you can click auto renew. Do you want this domain to auto renew for you? If you don't click this, then your domain will not auto renew. Obviously domain privacy, you can do this. This is free forever. I would always do this. And then SSL is great if you want to improve your site, if you want to keep your site safe and have this lock right here. So that's basically how it works. You confirm the order. You obviously, you obviously put your credit card information and stuff like that. And then once you're done, you go to your account, you go to your domain list, and here you will see your domain. And here you can obviously manage your domain, right? You can manage your domain, and then you can, have advanced DNS, products, sharing and transfer and stuff like that. But that's mainly how to buy a domain on Namecheap. It's really, really easy. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.